Thanks so much for the towel, Jake. I really needed it today.
Wait, I didn't give you any towel.
What? But you knocked on my door and handed it to me.
I wasn't home this afternoon.
Then who gave it to me?
Exactly, that's my question.
I was in the bathroom. I heard a knock and opened the door a little. The towel was there.
Did you see his face?
No, not really. I didn't think I needed to.
And he said nothing else?
Just, here you go.
That's it?
Yes, I didn't ask questions. I just took it.
And then,
He walked away. Normal steps, calm.
too normal. That's the strange part.
Too normal? What do you mean?
If someone is supposed to be there, they don't try to act normal.
So you think it wasn't you?
I know it wasn't me.
Then who was it?
We don't know yet, but we should think carefully.
I didn't feel scared at the time. Everything seemed normal.
And that's what makes it weird.
I see.
Is anything else weird?
I don't think so.
It's too normal.
Yeah,
Too normal.
I see.
This is exactly why I wanted to check
Check what?
my apartment,
Why?
because I left earlier and someone else was here.
Are you sure?
Yes, I know when I leave.
So we should go in now.
Yes, just to be safe.
Okay.
Before we go, one question. Are you sure you locked your door after?
I think so.
Think so?
Yes, I'm almost sure.
Almost sure is not the same as sure.
You're right.
We have to check small things like this.
I didn't even notice before.
That's why it worked.
Worked?
Yes, whoever it was wanted to seem normal.
That's a little scary.
Exactly. That's why we need to be careful.
So what now?
We go inside, slowly, step by step.
Okay,
If anything feels wrong, tell me immediately.
I will.
Even if it's small?
Even if it's small.
Good.
I don't like this feeling.
Neither do I.
It's like something happened and we didn't see it.
Exactly, and we need to find out what.
Okay,
Let's go inside.
all right.
We'll check everything carefully.
I hope it's nothing serious.
Me too.
But if it's not,
Then we were closer to something we didn't see.
I don't like that.
Neither do I.
I can't stop thinking about the towel situation. Something feels strange about it.
I know, Emma. I feel the same way. I can't explain it either.
When I opened the door, everything seemed normal. There was just the towel, nothing else.
Exactly. That's what bothers me. Someone was there, but they acted like they belonged.
I didn't even see their face, but I could feel something was off.
Yes, and it's not just the towel. Something else is missing from my apartment.
Missing? What do you mean?
My PlayStation. It's gone. I left it there this morning.
What? Are you serious?
Completely serious. I checked everywhere, but it's not there.
Could someone have broken in while we were outside?
It's possible, but the door was locked. I double-checked it before I left.
Then how could it disappear without anyone noticing?
I don't know. That's exactly why I feel uneasy.
I'm slightly anxious. Do you think it's connected to the towel?
It has to be. Whoever left the towel could have been the same person.
But why would they give me a towel? That doesn't make sense.
To appear normal, to make you trust them.
So they were already inside, acting casual.
Exactly. That's what worries me the most.
I didn't feel anything unusual. It felt safe.
That's what makes it dangerous. People often ignore small signs when they seem normal.
I'm slightly anxious. What should we do now?
First, we stay inside and check everything carefully.
Check everything? What do you mean?
Look for signs, footprints, moved objects, anything unusual.
I hope we don't find anything more.
We might. That's why we have to be thorough.
I feel like I'm missing something already.
That's possible. Sometimes small details are easy to overlook.
I guess we're detectives now.
Detectives who didn't want this job.
Exactly.
Let's start with the living room. Anything unusual?
I'm thinking. The table looks fine. The sofa is in place. I don't see anything wrong.
Check the floor. Look for footprints or marks.
There's something here, a small piece of paper near the rug.
What does it say?
It's just a note. Says, be careful.
What?
Yes, someone wrote it and left it here.
This confirms it. Someone was inside.
But why leave a warning? That's strange.
Maybe they wanted to scare us or test if we would notice.
I don't like this. It feels personal now.
Exactly. And we don't know their motives.
I keep thinking about the towel and how normal everything seemed.
Yes, that's exactly what makes it frightening.
Do you think we should call someone?
Not yet. We need to find out more before we involve anyone.
I'm worried we'll miss something important.
That's why we go slowly. Every detail counts.
I think there's a small mark on the window ledge.
Mark? What kind of mark?
Looks like a fingerprint or a smudge from a hand.
I don't like this.
I think we need to be careful. Someone might still be nearby.
Agreed. Let's finish checking the living room, then move to the bedroom.
I feel like we're walking into a trap.
We have to stay focused. Panic will miss details.
What about the hallway?
We'll check it last. It's easy to miss something there.
I think there's a faint sound, almost like someone whispering outside.
Did you hear it clearly?
Yes, just for a second, then it stopped.
This is not a coincidence. Someone is around.
I don't like this feeling at all.
We have to stay calm. Look for clues, not shadows.
I think there's a small bag under the sofa. I didn't see it before.
What's inside?
I'm careful. Nothing dangerous, just a few coins and a note.
It says the game is not over.
The game? What does that mean?
It means whoever was here is still thinking. They're testing us.
I feel like we're in a story, one we didn't want to be in.
Exactly. But we have to finish checking before we panic.
I think I see a door slightly open. The bedroom.
Careful, it could be a clue or a trap.
Let's check together, slowly.
One step at a time. Keep your eyes open.
I think I see the PlayStation. It's gone.
I knew it. Someone took it.
But nothing else is missing.
That's interesting. They only took the console.
Maybe they wanted to send a message.
Yes, and the towel was the first step.
I feel like we're too late already.
We're not late. We have clues. We need to follow them carefully.
I hope we find who did this before it's too late.
Me too, and we will.
I really don't like how all of this feels right now, Jake.
Me neither, Emma. It feels like someone planned this very carefully.
The towel, the notes, the silence, it all feels connected somehow.
Yes, and the worst part is how normal everything looked at first.
That's what scares me the most. Nothing felt dangerous in that moment.
That's how people get tricked. Danger often looks very normal.
Do you think they wanted us to notice everything?
Maybe, or maybe they wanted to see how long it would take.
That idea makes me feel very uncomfortable.
I know, but we need to stay logical right now.
Let's talk through everything again, step by step.
All right, start from the beginning.
I opened the door, I saw the towel, and I heard a calm voice.
And the voice did not sound nervous or rushed.
Exactly. It sounded polite, slow, and confident.
That means the person felt comfortable being there.
Which means this was not a random moment.
Yes, it feels planned, not rushed at all.
Why would someone plan something like this?
Either for fun or for something very specific.
That doesn't make me feel better at all.
I know, but fear won't help us understand it.
What about the notes? They feel very intentional.
Yes, someone wanted us to read them carefully.
Almost like a game or a challenge.
That word again, game.
That's what scares me. Games mean rules.
And rules mean control.
Exactly. Someone wanted control over the situation.
Or wanted to feel smart and clever.
Do you think they're watching us now?
I don't think so. If they were, we would feel it.
I hope you're right.
Let's think logically again. Nothing else was touched.
Yes, everything else is exactly where it should be.
That means they were not looking around randomly,
They knew where to go and what to take.
which means they had information,
About us? About you?
possibly, or about the apartment.
That makes me feel exposed.
I understand, but stay with the facts.
The towel still feels like the strangest part.
Yes, stealing something makes sense. Giving something does not.
Unless it was never meant as a gift.
What do you mean by that?
Maybe it was just an excuse to talk to me.
That's actually a very good point.
The towel created trust. It made me open the door.
And trust removes suspicion.
So the towel was a tool, not kindness.
That makes the situation much clearer.
But still, something feels unfinished.
I feel that too, like we're missing the final piece.
What if the notes were not a threat?
What else could they be then?
What if they were jokes?
Jokes? That feels strange.
I know, but hear me out.
All right, explain what you mean.
The notes sound dramatic, but nothing bad happened.
That's true. No damage, no violence.
And nothing important was broken.
So maybe this wasn't meant to scare us.
Maybe it was meant to confuse us.
Confusion creates strong emotions too.
And strong emotions make people remember moments.
So someone wanted this to be memorable.
Exactly. That's what feels strange to me.
But memorable for what reason?
I don't know yet.
Wait, my phone is vibrating.
Now? That timing feels strange.
Let me check who it is. Hello? Yes, hello? Yes, this is Jake speaking.
Who is calling you right now?
Yes, that's correct. Today, exactly.
Jake, you're starting to worry me.
Yes, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
What is happening right now?
Yes, that's fine. You can bring it tomorrow.
Jake, please tell me who that was.
All right, thank you again. Goodbye.
Okay, you cannot stay silent now.
Emma, you are not going to believe this.
Try me. I am already confused enough.
That was the repair shop.
The repair shop? What repair shop?
I completely forgot about it until now.
Forgot about what exactly?
Last week, I called them about my PlayStation.
You called them before all of this.
Yes, they said they would come and take it.
So today was the planned pickup day.
Yes, they even described the visit perfectly.
The towel, the calm voice, the normal behavior.
It was the repair guy, Emma.
So there was no game.
No game, no thief, just bad timing.
I cannot believe we scared ourselves like this.
We turned a repair visit into a mystery movie.
I feel stupid, but also very relieved.
Honestly, I feel exactly the same.
Next time, please write things down somewhere.
I promise I will, very clearly.
At least we have a funny story now.
Yes, and a repaired PlayStation soon.
Just no more towels at the door, please.
Deal. No towels, no mysteries.
Finally, I can breathe again.
Me too. Everything makes sense now.